Dell XPS-15. The Dell XPS-15-2023 is a remarkable addition to Dell's renowned XPS series, and it proves to be a true powerhouse for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and a host of innovative features, this laptop raises the bar for premium laptops in 2023. Design and build quality. The XPS-15's design is nothing short of elegant. The slim aluminum chassis with its minimalist, frost-white finish exudes sophistication, while the carbon fiber interior adds a touch of luxury. The build quality is exceptional, with every detail meticulously crafted. It's a laptop that not only performs well but also looks the part, making it perfect for professionals who value both aesthetics and durability. Display. The 15.6-inch OLED Infinity Edge display is the real showstopper here. It offers stunning 4K resolution, deep blacks, vibrant colors, and HDR support. Whether you're editing photos or watching movies, this display delivers a visual experience that's second to none. The near borderless screen maximizes the viewing area without compromising on quality. Performance. Powered by the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, the XPS-15-2023 is a workhorse. It effortlessly handles resource-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to ample RAM and fast SSD storage options. This laptop is engineered for top-tier performance, making it ideal for professionals in creative fields and demanding industries. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is comfortable to type on with well-spaced keys and a satisfying key press. The trackpad is large and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures for enhanced productivity. However, some users might miss dedicated function keys, and the keyboard could be slightly quieter. Battery life. Given its power-packed internals, the XPS-15's battery life is respectable. It can easily last a full workday with moderate use, but demanding tasks will drain it faster. Dell has included fast charging, which is a lifesaver when you need a quick boost. However, extended work away from an outlet may require some planning. Connectivity. The XPS-15-2023 offers a good selection of ports, including USB-C with Thunderbolt for support, USB-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader. However, some users might miss legacy ports like Ethernet and USB-A, so an adapter might be necessary for certain peripherals. Conclusion. The Dell XPS-15-2023 is a masterclass in laptop design and performance. It excels in almost every aspect, from its stunning OLED display to its powerhouse internals. While it may come at a premium price, it's a worthy investment for professionals and content creators who demand top-tier performance and a laptop that turns heads. The XPS-15-2023 is not just a laptop, it's a statement of excellence in the world of computing. If you purchase this product, please check the description. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family.